best way to visualize your home layout in 3D. Visualizing your home in 3D isn't just for professionals anymore. It's a must for anyone planning a renovation, remodeling, or new build. The best way to do this is with an online tool like Homestyler. Once you sign up, start by drawing your home layout in 2D using walls, windows, and rooms. It's fast and intuitive. When the basic shape is ready, switch to 3D view. Instantly, your floor plan transforms into a detailed model you can navigate. You can adjust materials, add furniture, and even simulate sunlight and shadows to see how natural light will affect your rooms. Homestyler also lets you create different design versions, so you can compare layouts and color schemes side by side. If you're sharing your design with family or clients, use the panoramic or video tour features. These immersive views help others see your vision just like you do. The platform even offers AI-powered suggestions for layout improvements, ensuring that your space looks good and works well. Ready to bring your floor plans to life? Check the description and join Homestyler for free. It's the smartest way to go from blueprint to breathtaking.